Hi everyone and welcome back to my video. Today, I'm Arman Febran Santosa from 4A class with student ID number 231202128 would like to explain my lesson plan especially in teaching speaking class. But remember, these steps of my lesson plan are tentative, so you as teacher should adjust it based on the condition of your class. Alright, without any further ado, let's check this out. Alright, firstly, I'd like to tell you about the general information of my lesson plan. So my lesson plan here is intended for 8th grade students in junior high school level. And then for the materials that I choose is about simple present tense, especially when telling about the daily activities. And then for the method that I use here is combination about GTM or grammar translation method with CLT or communicative language teaching. And then for the duration of this lesson plan is 2 times 40 minutes or 80 minutes all. After that, about the learning objective of my lesson plan is the learning objective of my lesson plans are: first is students are able to understand the structure of simple present tense. And then the second is students are able to use this simple present tense to tell their daily activities. And the third is the students are able to share the information that they got from their friends in the classroom. As we know, lesson plan are divided into 3 parts. The first part is pre-activity. The second part is the wheels activity or the main activity, and the third is the post activity. Here, I spend 10 minutes for the pre-activity, 60 minutes for the wheels activity, and the last 10 minutes is for the post activity. Alright, let's jump into the pre-activity. So before starting the class, the teacher will ask all of the students to look around their classroom to check if there is a trash or something else that can disturb the process of the learning. The purpose of this activity to make the learning environment comfortable and clean. So it can affect the students' spirit to learn in the classroom. And then after this activity is praying session, the teacher will ask the captain of the class to lead the prayer. After that, the teacher will check the attendance of the students. After that, instead of directly telling the students like, "Hi, the topic is today. The topic is about blah 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 blah." So I prefer to put an a soft ice breaking that is really fun for the students, where the name is hot potato. So the rules here is the teacher will play a song, and then the teacher will make a circle in the classroom. So they have to move aside their bench, their tables and chairs. After that, when the teacher plays the song, the students will move the ball, a small ball as the hot potato, one by one around the circle. And then when the song suddenly stops, the student that get the ball should tell one of their daily activities to their friends. And then the game continues several rounds until most of the students get the chance to speak to all of their friends. And then for the students that are confident and correctly present their one of their daily activity, they will get 1 bonus point as the positive reinforcement. But for the students that also confident but it's not really correct, they will get negative reinforcement, like for the example, your answer is almost correct, but you have to clarify what actually the meaning of your sentence, like that. And then we jump into the post activity. And this post activity will spend about 60 minutes of this lesson, where first I will use GTM to explain the structure or the patterns of simple present tense to all of the students. And here the teacher will give several sentences of like the example of simple present tense, especially the daily activities for the students. For the example, like I take a bath at 6 p.m. or I have breakfast at 7 a.m. and etc. After that, the teacher will translate it for the students to make them easier understand the meaning of the sentence. And then the teacher also will give several vocabularies that is commonly used to tell the daily activities. And then the teacher will also check the understanding of the students by asking, have you got it? Have you got it about the explanation or something else? And then we move into the second activity that use CLT method. That is the mini interview session, where the students will be asked by the teacher to work in pairs, where they will ask several questions each other about their daily activities. And then through this activity, the teacher will go around the classroom to make sure that all of the students are understand about the activity. And then after that, after all of the students finish their works, the teacher will ask 2 or 3 students as the representative of their peers to come in front of the class to retell the informations that they got from their peers. And after every performance of a student, another friends will give feedback of their friends' performance. Because here in the lesson plan, I integrate peer feedback. So mostly the feedback comes from the students, and the teacher will give additional feedback if there is something that doesn't mentioned before. After that, we move to the post activity, the last parts of this lesson plan that spans about 10 minutes. So here this part is focusing on the reflection session of the students, led by the teacher, where the teacher will ask several questions like, what did you learn today? Or how do we tell our daily activities in English? And then for those students who are confident and brave to raise their hand, that student will get a bonus point as a reward for their confidence. And then before ending the session of the class, the teacher will give instruction for the flipped classroom. The flipped classroom here is the students will learn the material independently at home, and then if there is confusion or anything else, they will discuss it in the class with the teacher, and the teacher will clarify and solve the confusion of the students. After that, after this instruction, the teacher will ask the captain of the class also to lead the prayer again, to close the class, and the teacher close the class with a closing greeting. For the assessment that I use here is formative assessment, where I have a rubrics that consists of 4 criteria. The first is articulation, the second is pronunciation, the third is fluency, and the fourth is a grammar. Exactly the grammar that is used by the teacher, that how they use the simple present tense, is it correct, almost correct, or wrong. Alright, that is all about my explanation of the lesson plan. So for the assessment here, I use formative assessment. In addition to the peer feedback, I, as the teacher, uses a rubric that consists of 4 criteria. The first is fluency, the second is pronunciation, the third is articulation, and the fourth is grammar, especially the use of simple present tense in telling their daily activities. The teacher here also considers their students' participation during the ice-breaking session, and also how well they describe their friends' daily activity in front of the class. Overall, my lesson plan here is designed to combine both GTM for the grammar understanding and also the communication skill through CLT. Using fun and engaging ice-breaking like hot potato can improve the students' confidence and interest through the learning process. I think that's all about my video of my lesson plan. I hope that you are enjoy my explanation. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Alright, that's all about my video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.